Hello, another week of the food show by FAT BIDIN and FAT BIDIN Media. So today it's Athena's turn. So last week I cooked something for Alithia, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a simple snack for kids. So Athena's always hungry when she comes back from school. Then after she has lunch, 4 o'clock she wants snack. So this is a snack that you can keep. You can make prior and you can freeze it. It's called Chook Chook ball. Some of the ingredients you'll be needing is minced chicken. Into the bowl, I have here fresh coriander. Not too much because coriander has a very strong smell. Into the bowl it goes. 1 egg to make sure everything sticks. I'm gonna put half first, okay? Just to see how it sticks. I have dried oregano. Again, just a little bit, maybe a pinch. And I have light soy sauce. There you go. For the saltiness. You can also use fish sauce. And a dash of black pepper. Okay. Give this a stir. As you can see, it's a bit runny. Last thing you'll be needing is breadcrumbs. You can also use fresh bread. Just crush the bread together and put it in the chicken. Okay, look, I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon first. Put it in. Then another one. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to stick. Look. That. As long as it can hold and you can roll it into a ball, it's fine. So I'm already on my 4th spoon. Okay, let's try and make it into a ball. If it, see.
Open up your eyes, see inside your lives.
Wash your hands before. Yes.
Your brother as your guide.
Look.
When earth is set on fire.
Okay.
All the world's desire.
Let me show you. This is a pan. As long as it stays like a ball, then it's fine. So you can make as big as you want, as small as you want. There you go. It's like a fish ball. Okay. This is how you keep it. Get like a clean Tupperware and dry Tupperware. You can arrange it in the Tupperware like that. Make sure it has a bit of space so it doesn't stick. You can keep it in the freezer, and anytime the kids are hungry, you can take it out and thaw it a little bit, maybe just so that it's a bit softer and it can cook inside. It's cooked through there. Then you're good. So I'm going to continue and make more balls. Then we can try it out in the oven.
Naturally, you wouldn't understand what a gentleman's word is his bond.
Okay, I'm done. So this is how it looks like. You don't have to be perfect. That's the whole beauty of it. You can also get your kids to help. Athena would have love to help. She's sleeping. So we're just gonna test out a few chicken balls. To keep it healthy, use the oven. Don't deep fry. So a dash of olive oil on your pan. There. Go. Let's try this much. So Zan can have one, I can have one, and my mother can try one. It goes in the oven for about 200 degrees. Top bottom fire for only 5 minutes. Okay? Because it's not frozen. So if it's frozen, take it out a bit. Maybe you try and poke it with a fork and see whether it's cooked through. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. It's already golden brown. Healthy snack.